Thailand is no longer just a tourist paradise. It's becoming an economic powerhouse with booming industries, rising global influence, and bold government strategies. Could Thailand be Asia's next superpower? Imagine a country that once thrived on tourism, but is now making massive strides in technology, green energy, and global trade. Imagine a country where billion-dollar industries are expanding at record speed, attracting major investments from global giants. Yes, this is Thailand, but can it become a superpower? Or are there hidden challenges that could slow its rise? Stick around because we're about to uncover Thailand's biggest economic moves, Thailand's economic growth, the rise of a powerhouse. Thailand's economy has been quietly expanding. In 2024, Thailand's GDP grew by 3.0% in the third quarter, up from 2.2% in the previous quarter. While this might not seem groundbreaking, it shows consistent growth amid global economic slowdowns. But what's fueling this expansion? Exports. Thailand's exports reached a record-breaking $300.5 billion in 2024, a 5.4% increase from the previous year. Major exports include electronics, automobiles, processed food, and agricultural goods. Foreign direct investment, FDI. Major companies are shifting production to Thailand, especially as the US and China continue their trade war. Manufacturing hub. Thailand is Southeast Asia's largest car exporter, with brands like Toyota, Honda, and Ford operating massive production facilities. However, despite the positive numbers, some economic analysts warn that Thailand's growth is slowing compared to Vietnam, Indonesia, and India. So what's Thailand's game plan for staying ahead? Thailand's billion-dollar industries. Thailand is not just a manufacturing hub anymore. It's diversifying into high-tech industries that could make it a major global player. 1. The semiconductor boom. Did you know Thailand is becoming a key player in the global semiconductor industry? With rising demand for microchips in AI, automotive, and consumer electronics, Thailand has a golden opportunity. The Thai Board of Investment aims to attract $14 billion in semiconductor investments by 2029. Companies like Analog Devices, Sony, and Toshiba have already set up advanced semiconductor manufacturing plants. With the US limiting China's access to advanced chips, Thailand is in a prime position to benefit. 2. Digital economy and AI expansion. Thailand's digital economy is expected to reach $100 billion by 2030, driven by e-commerce giants like Shopee and Lazada, AI-driven fintech solutions, cloud computing, and big data investments. Thailand is also working on 5G infrastructure and plans to be a major player in AI development across Southeast Asia. 3. Green energy revolution. Thailand is investing heavily in solar, wind, and electric vehicles, EVs, to reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Goal: carbon neutrality by 2050. EV production surged by 250% in 2024, making Thailand the EV hub of Southeast Asia. The government has allocated $1.3 billion for solar and wind energy projects. Could sustainability be Thailand's key advantage over its Asian competitors? The government's master plan for economic growth. Thailand's government isn't sitting back. It's actively shaping the country's future. The $500 billion baht stimulus plan. To boost domestic consumption, the Thai government launched a 500 billion baht $14 billion stimulus package, including a one-time digital payment of 10,000 baht, 275 to 50 million citizens, tax cuts for businesses, support for startups in AI, green energy, and fintech. The goal: to supercharge Thailand's economy and make it more competitive. Investment in infrastructure. Thailand is investing over $40 billion in infrastructure projects, including the Eastern Economic Corridor, EEC, a special economic zone to attract global tech and manufacturing companies. High-speed rail connecting Thailand to China and Singapore. Expansion of Bangkok's international airport to accommodate 100 million passengers annually. Free trade agreements, FTAs. Thailand has signed multiple trade agreements with China, the European Union, and India to boost exports. With more open markets, Thailand could dominate Southeast Asia's trade industry. Challenges that could stop Thailand's rise. Despite Thailand's impressive progress, several critical challenges could slow or even halt its rise as a major economic power. 1. 1. Aging population crisis. Thailand is facing a demographic time bomb by 2030. 1 in 4 Thais will be over 60 years old, leading to a shrinking workforce and rising healthcare costs. With fewer young workers entering the job market, productivity could decline and industries may struggle to find skilled labor. If Thailand doesn't act fast by incentivizing higher birth rates, attracting foreign workers, and investing in automation, this crisis could drag down its economic momentum. 2. Rising competition from Vietnam and Indonesia. Thailand is no longer the only Southeast Asian nation attracting foreign investment. Vietnam and Indonesia are rising fast, and they're hungry for global market dominance. Vietnam's economy grew by 5.8% in 2024, outpacing Thailand, while Indonesia's booming tech sector is now worth over $250 billion. If Thailand doesn't stay ahead in innovation, streamline business policies, and boost digital transformation, it risks losing out on lucrative investments. Can Thailand become Asia's next superpower? Thailand is on the path to becoming a major global player, but can it truly rise to superpower status? To do so, it must invest aggressively in high-tech industries, positioning itself as a leader in semiconductors, AI, and automation. The world is shifting towards clean energy, and Thailand must accelerate its green revolution, focusing on solar, wind, and electric vehicles to maintain a competitive edge. Another key factor is global trade dominance. By strengthening its free trade agreements and leveraging its strategic location in Southeast Asia, Thailand can become a critical hub for international commerce and investment. However, a major obstacle is its aging population and shrinking workforce. The country must implement policies to attract foreign talent, upskill its labor force, and boost productivity to sustain long-term growth. The good news? Thailand is already making these moves, securing major investments and implementing bold policies. The real question isn't if Thailand will rise, it's when. Will Thailand seize the opportunity and cement its place as Asia's next economic giant? The coming years will reveal whether Thailand can transform from a rising star to a true powerhouse. Is Thailand the future of Asia? Thailand's economy is at a crossroads. It has a booming digital sector, a strong manufacturing base, a government pushing for bold reforms. But can it overcome its challenges and become a global powerhouse? If you enjoyed this deep dive into Thailand's economy, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights into global economic trends. And now, I want to hear from you. Will Thailand become Asia's next superpower, or will another country take the lead? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Before you go, here's a crazy thought. While everyone is watching China and India, Thailand might be quietly building an empire of its own. In a few years, we might all be saying, Thailand wasn't just a tourist hotspot, it became an economic giant. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.